What's happening, YouTube? Tutorial 12 of the KP series, changing screens. We're going to change our screens. We're going to create a new screen so that we can get to that screen and do all sorts of nice, lovely stuff. So, if we carry on from where we left off, in the top right hand corner, you can see what we're going to be making today. You just click the node, you do an ARP scan, and you click the node, and it will take you to the next screen, which will give you information on that particular node that you clicked on, and then we're going to have all sorts of functions that will do things to that node. Oh yeah. So all we do is just copy the first few lines in the KV file for the first screen, alright, which is the box layout, canvas, rectangle, and the source of the background. If you've noticed, I've changed the background. I've been playing around with that. I think it looks pretty good. And we're going to add a button to the screen. Obviously we need a button there. That's going to take us back to the main screen, otherwise we'll just be stuck in no man's land, and that's not good. So let's define the on press, and we're going to do it. We're going to do a root.main screen, which we need to define if my computer decides to stop having a seizure. Main screen, right? Okay, we'll do the size hint, and let's do a 0.1. It doesn't really matter. We're going to change it after anyway. Okay, this is just an example of how to get to another screen. We're going to be doing port scans on that screen and all sorts of other stuff. Okay, so let's just copy that. And let's define the class of the new screen, which is NetPwn. So let's just do that. We've got to change a few things in there, but we're going to define main screen function, which is going to be called if the button's pressed, which will take us to screen 1. So we'll do a self. And all we have to do is sm.current equals NetPwn, which we have to define. We haven't done so yet. What we do here, we do an sm.add widget. Let's just copy that. Make it a bit quicker. Oh, could have typed it by now. Yeah, I definitely could have typed it by now. I'm just lazy. And return and paste. Right here, I've forgotten to put S2 instead of S1. Okay. I advise you do that now because I'm going to change it later. Obviously, it's not going to work. And also, need to change these here. S2 and S2. Okay. So now we need to define a function that's going to actually take us to that screen when the node is pushed. Okay, so now let's do that. Let's define change screen, and it's going to be the exact polar opposite of main screen. The yin yang, the yang of yin, or the yin of yang. sm.current equals NetPwn S2. Right. Okay. So all we have to do is assign that function to the on press method of every node. Let's just get rid of that. Make a bit more space, and we do a comma, and we do on press. Not colon equals, and we'll do an NetPwn S1 dot change screen. Simple as that. And we copy that and paste. And down. Little comma there, and repeat and wash. I've got a lot of ideas coming. It's going to be a barrage of tutorials coming. Okay, and I'm going to run this as soon as I change that. And what do we have here? Yeah. Okay. And tell me if you like the new background. I think it's pretty cool. Like I said, guys, just design it the way you want. Okay. And then we have it. There's a new screen. Alright, so that's going to be our node screen. Okay, it's going to be full of functions and stuff. Alright. So that looks pretty cool. And we go back to the main screen. There's a lot of transitions as well. I do advise you check out the transitions for the screen method in Kivy. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thank you for the support. If you like what you watch, don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up. I will appreciate it. Keep coding. Keep being awesome. See ya.